I want to start out with the dividend because unlike your peers elsewhere in the Nordic region, you are directly supervised by the ECB and you have to comply with this de facto ban that was on dividend. So are you saying you are ready to pay double dividends next year if the ECB allows it?
Yeah, we're delivering a very strong result for the quarter and continuing the positive trend in the previous quarters. We have a very strong financial position, actually a CET1 of 16.4 and a surplus to the requirement of 6.2. And we are and have been accruing for 19 dividend, are accruing for 20 dividend. So what we are saying is that we intend to pay out dividend, but of course we have postponed the decision until 1st of Jan, and of course are waiting for more communication from ECB.
Do you think the dividend pause has been necessary, or, some even say the northern banks are being penalized to help southern banks and to protect them? Do you think this was a necessary action from the ECB?
I don't want to speculate in that. We are trying to run the bank as good as we can, helping our customers, helping the society, and are so far coming very strongly through the crisis. But of course, there is still a way to go. But our capital position is very strong, and therefore it has just been normal for us to say that, of course, we also want to award our investors, and we have accrued for that. And clearly we can pay out dividend, but of course we are following the guideline of ECB, and therefore we have refrained from deciding about it before 1st of Jan.
You've also reversed some loan losses this quarter, 2 million euros worth. Can you tell us why that is?
Yeah, we made a quite big management buffer in the Q2. The reason for that was we wanted to be prudent, we wanted to be transparent, and at the same time we guided the market for our projections for the full year 20 loan losses would be below 1 billion euro. And then we basically covered most of that already in Q2. Q3 has shown basically zero in net loan losses. Of course, there are some movements behind, but the totality leads to a 2 million reversal actually for the quarter. So we have our buffers, management buffer intact, which of course is a strong start point for Q4.
Frank, I'd like to just also get your view on European banking industry going into the next year. Do you think we'll see more consolidation? Finally, what are you preparing for just in the banking industry as a whole across Europe?
I don't want to speculate in that. In Nordea, we just focus on developing the bank, helping our customers, taking our responsibility in society and progress towards our financial targets for 22. And our strategy is to run the bank in the 4 Nordic countries, and we are doing everything we can to execute that with good progress.